Okay, silly check. Good morning, my friends. A little cooler this morning. And the restaurant right beside the hostel or hotel, I'm not sure which it is closed. So I am going to go and forage for something to eat. But first I gotta find out why I'm getting lost here. Oh, because I'm going down for the restaurant, that's why. Anyway, I'm in a town called Mecide, and it is at kilometer 715 out of 782. So we have 67 left. And the way I'm breaking this down, and you may not agree with it, I'm not sure I agree with it, is 17, 25, and 25. So these last 2 days, like tomorrow and the next day, coming into Santiago are going to be rough. So, whew, I mean, anyway, today we are going, like I said, 17 to a place called Mecide. And yeah, let's go get it. Let's get some views. Little cooler temperatures today. Won't be going up to 30. It'll only be going up to around 21, 22. So that'll be nice. My check-in's at 1 o'clock. I got a nice short day. I want to get in there at 1 o'clock, check in real quick, and just rest and relax and get caught up on some videos for sure. Anyway, I think I found a bar here. Okay, so I had something to eat. Bacon and eggs, my usual. I see a couple buses getting ready to take people out. And it's crazy here. It really is. Real easy day today. And after the last couple days, I'm actually quite grateful for that. Wow, is this rain? No. There's no rain in the forecast. Whew. I would not be too happy about that right now, because I'd have to stop and repack my pack. And, but I mean, that's fine. I'll do it, you know, if I have to. Anyway, great day today. Easy day. Cool day. Got a reservation in Mecide. And, I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so I stopped at the 10-kilometer mark at a cafe, mostly to use the bathroom. But I had a hot chocolate too, so. And it's gotten a lot colder, so I think this is one of those famous days where the weatherman is wrong. It honestly smells like rain to me. So I'm gonna get a move on, finish the last 7, and get in out of the rain, if there is rain. Hi, buddy. What a beautiful hike this morning so far, though. I have to say, it's the perfect hiking temperature. It really is. I've always said it. I love it to be around 10 degrees Celsius, around 40 to 50 Fahrenheit. For me personally, that's my ideal hiking temperature. Or anything over 90 degrees. I love that too for some reason. I just love the heat. Okay, a little bit of road walking. Hopefully we get back on trail soon. Isn't this beautiful? It's absolutely gorgeous. I can't tell you how much I love this area. This area is called Galicia, the Galatians. They're notorious for their wars. The Galatians were very, they won all their wars. But more notably, their culture. It's amazing. That cheese that I had the other day, whew, I gotta tell you, with the little pieces of walnut in it, even though I don't eat nuts. I had to try it. Okay, so I'm here. I just got to find out where I'm staying. It's noon, so I made good time. Much bigger town than I thought it was, so I got to make sure I stay as close to the trail as I can. Okay, my hostel's like 5 minutes away, so guess what I found? An ice cream shop. On the AT and on the PCT, I had a tradition. Every time I went into a town, I would get an ice cream. So I'm about to do that here. Okay, so had a little nap, checked in, had a little nap, and now I'm on the hunt for food. Trying to find a nice restaurant. Oh, and I need carabiners, so I'm gonna see if I can find a sports store somewhere here. Although I'm not sure that'll be possible. Okay, so there is no outfitter here that has carabiners. I'm told I have to go to Santiago for that. I should have brought a couple spares. It's my own fault. It's just gonna have to put the Crocs inside the pack, I guess, from now on.